Outlander, Blood of My Blood. Season 2 is already on its way. Outlander, Blood of My Blood, the upcoming prequel, is confirmed for Season 2 even before its Season 1 premiere on August 8th. The story will explore the romances of both Jamie's and Claire's parents, offering two intertwined love stories. Blood of My Blood is not a limited series. With Season 2 already greenlit, showrunner Matthew B. Roberts shared his excitement about continuing these epic love stories, hoping viewers will fall for the new couples, just as they did with Jamie and Claire. The spin-off follows Jamie's and Claire's parents across two timelines, 1700s Scotland and early 1900s England, where their love stories unfold. While time travel takes a back seat, the series promises rich period drama and a deep exploration of family dynamics across clans. The cast features Jamie Roy as Brian Fraser, Harriet Slater as Ellen Mackenzie, Jeremy Irvine as Henry Beauchamp, and Hermione Corfield as Julia Morriston, alongside Rory Alexander, Sam Retford, and a strong supporting ensemble portraying familiar Outlander characters in their youth. Filming for Season 2 began on June 23rd in Scotland, setting the perfect backdrop for the historical romance and adventure that will continue to expand the beloved Outlander universe. Fans can look forward to seeing a young Murdoch, portrayed by Rory Alexander, alongside younger versions of Dougal, Ned, and Colum, offering a fresh perspective on characters who played pivotal roles in the original Outlander saga.